Today is 2-Minute Tuesday. It's also Countdown to Cruising Day 19, and we're gonna show you how to save money for that cruise, like fast, in like 100 days, $5,000. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell because we're gonna have lots of great content coming your way. Everyone is excited about the prospect of finally cruising again in 2021. So let's count it down to see when, where, and which cruise ship will be the first to leave a North American port.
As we count down, we will have guests from the high seas, cruise tips, hacks, cruise news, cruise deals. It'll be great.
Today, I'm gonna show you how to save $5,000 in 100 days because we know it's hard to save for those cruises. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and show you how. First, you're gonna need to get a box of 100 envelopes. You're gonna take them out of the box and you're gonna number them from 1 to 100. Next, you're gonna need to shuffle all those envelopes. Now put them all back in the box facing the same direction. So now that we have a box filled with empty envelopes, it's time to start saving. So, day one, you're gonna take out the first envelope in the front, fill it with the amount of money that's numbered on the front of that envelope, and return it to the back of the box. Each consecutive day, do the exact same thing. At the end of 100 days, you will have $5,050. That's pretty awesome. Want to do things a little quicker? Do 2 envelopes a day. At the end of 50 days, you're gonna have $5,050. If that's a little bit aggressive for you and you'd like to spread it over a longer period of time, let's do 2 envelopes per week over the course of the year. At the end of that year, again, you will have $5,050. There was something else I was gonna say. Insider tip, make sure your husband doesn't know where the envelopes are. And that was 2-Minute Tuesday. If you have another way to save that works for you, comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you soon.